Hey guys, this is my channel Fun Prop. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified whenever I make an upload.
Hey guys, now I'll be showing you the unboxing of VR box. It's a very nice thing. So today I'll be showing you its unboxing. So let's go. So guys, now I'm going to show you its unboxing. So it's not that high standard VR box. It's a normal standard VR box. It costs about 2000, but in Flipkart and Amazon it's giving offers. You can buy it for 539 or 600, something like that. So there will be links in the description down below. You can go and check it out. So this is the main box. Here's the front VR. There is something written. I don't know what is this. Everything is possible, and I don't know what's that. Huh? If you change another eyes looking into this world. Okay, well, that's a good line. You can take it to your poetry. Yeah. So when you go to this side, it's not a good quality box. I'm just telling that. So when you go here, you open it, something like that. So you'll get a headphone with it, which is really good. And I used it and I packed it again, which was not that good. But you get this headphone, which is not that good quality, but yeah, you can still. But one thing, this headphone does not change your volume. You just have to click from your mobile. If you click in this button, the volume up, volume down, it won't work. That's not good quality. You can just hear it. So the main thing is right here. This is the VR box, and there's a manual inside it. Here's a manual, and it's a quick start guide. And here is written that you can buy app and scan this code. If app will be in this link, I may give the link. I may give the app VR. So that is. So this is the main thing. So what does it do actually? This is nothing actually. When you go to its side, you'll get this. So you can just push it, take it out, and like so, and you just get it in, push it in. And here are two nice goggles right here. You can put and see, but I know you cannot see anything here. You may see from here something. So when you put your mobile inside it, it's good quality. I still not get out this plastic. I took it. So here's this rubber type thing, which is not good. It may come out. I packed it. And here's this. So you actually do, you just take this rubber, put it on your head like so, and you just see things. Well, I'm not seeing anything. So that's it, how you do it. So I'm just let me see. And here are these this thing, because you adjust this up. It actually does this thing. Well, let me show you. This actually moves. See, it actually moves. And this, so what does it do actually? This comes up down, and this seems wider and smaller. Means this thing. Yeah, that's it. That's a very cool. And you can just here have some holes, so you can get out your headphone out of it. So yeah, and here you can just put your mobile like this. It's a slider, so you can just get it in, wear it something like this, and you'll see. Well, that's cool. Yeah, good. And what's right over here is, I take it upside down. So here you can put your mobile. This is the smallest size. I don't know what this size. This max size is 6. So for 6-inch mobiles, I guess I'm right. So you can just get it for 5-inch and something. It slides. But this is the lowest. I don't know that. Maybe 4.7 for iPhone 7, iPhone 8, not the Plus, the 4.7 model, or maybe some 4.7 model mobiles can fit this or this. And this is a 6.6, the 6.0. So you can just put it in, get some watch, and it's really good. So there will be links in the description down below, guys. Don't you worry. There will be Amazon and Flipkart. I bought it from Flipkart. Actually, it works really good, but you'll be needing apps for that. Yeah, you'll be needing apps. You can download lots of apps. You can just search in Play Store that VR apps. You get thousands of apps, but I use the mostly common app is the water something like that. I forgot the name, and there I'll even give you a link that is of my favorite gaming VR. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys have liked this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and peace.